Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the most commonly asked question in SQL related to the joins. So let's start, and I hope I will be able to make this video very interesting for you. So let's create a table T1 first of all, then a table T2. I'm inserting two records in table T1 and inserting four records in the table T2. Let's see how our table are looking like. Okay, so we have two records in table T1 and four records in table T2. Okay, fine. So now basically we will understand four different type of joins: inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. Basically this is very commonly asked question in the interview. So where the scenario is given something like we have the common row with the same ID in both the tables, and interviewer asks how to perform these two joins and what will be the output. So let's understand each and every join in detail. So first start with inner join. So in the table T1 we have two records with ID 1, and we have four records in table T2 with ID 1. Okay, now when I will do the inner join on the column ID, so what it will actually do is it will join the first record of 1 with all these four 1. So it will generate four records. Then it will go to the second row. It will check again the matching records in the table T2 and again generate the four records. Now, so this will create 8 records with inner join. Let me run this query as well and see the result. So we can see it is generating the 8 records. Now in the case of left join also we will get same records. In case of right join also we will get same records, and in case of full join also we will get same records because we are having the common ID in both the tables. Now let me add some more records in table T1 and T2. Now I'm adding 2 in the table T1 and I'm adding 3 in the table T2. Okay, here you go. Now if we see the table T1, it is having 1 1 2, and in T2 we have 4 1 and 1 3. Now when we will again do the inner join, it will give the same records because 2 and 3 are not matching in the both the tables, so it will again give me 8 records. Now in case of left join, since we have, let me show you the tables. Since in the left table we have 2 as additional row and it is not matching here, right? So it will give me 8 records plus this 2 9 records with the null from the T2 table. Okay, similarly for right join we don't have 3 in the left, so it will give me 3 with null. And in case of full outer join we will get 8 records plus 2 records of 2 and 3, so it will give me total 10 records. Now the interesting fact is, if I add, let's say in T1 one null, okay, and in T2 let's say I'm adding 1 and again one more 2 nulls. Now if I see the table T1 we have 1 1 2 and null, okay, and in T2 we have 1 1 1 1 3 and 2 nulls. Now these nulls are not basically we cannot compare these two nulls, so it will not be matched during the data. Now again if we do the inner join in the both the tables, it will give me the same number of records, 8 records, because in the left table we have 2 and null, and in the right table we have 3 and 2 nulls. Okay, so it will give me 8 records. Now in the case of left join, so in the left table, if we see, we have 2 additional records, 2 and null. It will give me 8 plus 2, 10 records. Okay. Now in the case of right join, since we have these records, 4 records, and 4 are matching with 2 from the first T1 table, it will give me 8 records, and then it will give me 9, 10 and 11. So it will give me 11 records. Okay. Now interesting fact is, if we do full outer join, then what it will do, it will add, let me show you, it will give me 4 plus 4 8, 9, 10, okay, then 11, 12 and then 13. So basically it will give me total 13 records. This is how we can solve this kind of problem in SQL. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel.